I don't know if I'm saying it right, but this is what I'm wearing. So this is a lace front wig, 100% human hair. So beautiful, right? It is so beautiful. So what came in this, and this is not sponsored, but this hair right here, oh, it's wonderful. It's beautiful. I love it. I honestly do. So let me just say, I did over bleach this wig and I had to fix it. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah. So this, I over bleached it. Let me know if you guys can tell or not, because oh my goodness, that was like, I was like, oh my goodness, I messed this wig up, but I didn't. I fixed it. So I went in with some black hair dye and I put Vaseline. Did I use yeah, I used Vaseline and I smothered it on the inside of the cap. I used a brow brush and I just used black hair dye, and I was getting as close as I could to the roots but not getting it on the lace. So yeah, I over bleached it. I do want to talk about the shedding. The shedding, let me just comb it a little bit on camera so you guys could see what it's really giving. So I don't know if y'all can see the hair. Let's see. Okay, y'all can see it. So to me, that's not bad shedding. That's just a little bit of shedding. But this hair is beautiful, and it is 30 inches. This is 30 inches. I don't really remember which wig I got, but I can go in my email and do a quick search and see which one I got. So this is it. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all the length of it. So it goes all the way down, I say to the bottom of my behind, if y'all can see. I don't know, but it's 30 inches on me. I am super short. It's super cute. I wanted it this long. I wanted to get that Nicki Minaj look when she had that super long hair, but hers was touching the floor. I don't want mine to touch the floor, but I want to get that like when she was walking and it was just moving like. Okay, I love the pattern. It's like a very much water wave type of beach type of vibe curls. Wet it so you guys can see how that looks, because I haven't really worn the what is it called, the wet look, the wet look. Is that what it's called? I don't know, but I'm gonna wet it and let you guys see how that looks. So here's the hair wet. Get into it, get into it, get into it, get into it. The wet look. Okay. Super cute. I'm not gonna lie. Super cute. Super long. I'm telling you guys, it's super long. Let me know what hair you want me to review next, and I got you. I got you. Okay, I definitely got you. So this hair is not sponsored, but I love it. It's super cute. Let me turn around. I don't know if the back is wet, but yeah. Comment down below and let me know which wig should I do next, because this hair right here, oh, it's fab, honey. It's definitely fab. Definitely fab. It doesn't shed that much. So yeah, for the girls that get it, get it. For the girls that don't. Peace.